from this to this. She's a little dirty. She's used. You see I've been cleaning it off. There's before. There's after using brake cleaner. But this is a box from Apple Hill 4x4. Got it for free. Didn't want it anymore. I have videos of the shop up on my... That was on there. I wonder if it smelled funny. But I have videos of the old garage, which this one came from, up on my account. So it's a Blue Point, which is basically Snap-on. If you look like that, you can see it says Snap-on. But somebody took the sticker off. And yeah, pull one of the keys out. Snap-on. And they do work in here. I'm gonna show that. They don't have the locking, but you gotta pull on them a little bit to get them to pop out. So, but I think it's Snap-on because look at the handle on this. And this is a Snap-on box. Look at the handle on that. Basically the same. So I'm just cleaning it off. So yeah, because when we put it on the trailer and we went down a dusty road and yeah. So whoops, somebody was writing bad words on the back. No, it wasn't me. What the heck? Somebody testing out a plasma cutter? Oh well. But this thing's been oversprayed on like crazy, and she's a little beat up, but not bad. I'm gonna keep it and use it in the garage, or in the shed. It's going over in the shed. But apparently snow blows in the vents up on the roof, and then it blows, or it comes in, sits on the insulation, and when we warm it up in here, it melts and falls down into dirty cups. No, that is not piss. That was there was coffee in that cup. Like just it dried and left like coffee residue on the bottom, and now we dripping water into it. So that's what that is. But oh, Orange County Chopper Snap-on bike. Oh, sharp. Come on, you bum. I gotta use 2 hands for this. There we go. Got her. Blue Point. Here. Uh-oh, I think it's popping off. My hand's getting wet. Wipe it off. Oh, the color's coming off. Look at that. Ha! Oh well. That didn't happen on the bottom though. Odd. Oh well. No big deal. Maybe I'll just pop this off. Ouch. Wait, are there holes underneath that? I don't know. Actually, I'll leave it on. But yeah, it's my new toolbox, guys. I hope you like it. It's awesome. Can't wait to start using it, but we're gonna wait to put tools in it until we get in the shed. Gotta love it, guys.